On behalf of Department of Fertilizer, I would like to apprise the gathering that the fertilizer availability remains robust and the supplies continue to exceed the requirement. The Department of Fertilizer reaffirms the fertilizer security, which is strong, stable, and well managed, with availability consistently exceeding the requirement across all major fertilizers, and no shortages have been reported so far. The strong supply position in the Kharif season, I would like to give some facts about it. For the period from 1st April to 26th April, the availability remains substantially higher than the requirement. Urea availability is 71.58 LMT against a requirement of 18.17 LMT. Similarly, DAP availability is 22.35 LMT against 5.90 LMT across the country. We have seen that there's a strong opening position in all the fertilizer in the ongoing Kharif season. Further reinforcing our preparedness for the Kharif 2026, the fertilizer requirement has been assessed at 390.54 LMT, against which our stock position is 190.21 LMT, which is about 49% of opening stock is already available, which is supposed to be usually 33%. So against 33%, already 49% stock is available. This is also supported by advanced stocking, efficient logistics, which has been managed very well so far. To ensure sustained availability, the government has already diversified its import sources, and if any shortfall, wherever any shortfall has been noticed, it has been overcome with strong import, our diversified portfolio and imports. In the urea sector, global tender already 13.07 LMT of urea was secured in the month of February. And now tender of 25 LMT of urea has been successful, and we'll be getting the supplies shortly, which will start in the month of May. 25. MRP of all major fertilizer remains the same. There is no change. Urea continues at rupees 266.5 per 45 kg bag. DAP continues to be at 1350 per 50 kg bag. The domestic production also, which is even after the crisis, we have been able to manage a very strong position. The production of urea since March and April has been very good and robust. The issues relating to natural gas availability for domestic urea production have also been addressed with a steady supply of gas, and are presently 97% LNG, RLNG is available to the fertilizer plants. तो भारत सरकार के प्रयासों से घरेलू उत्पादन में भी लगातार वृद्धि हो रही है. Further, I would like to apprise that the global tender for other than urea fertilizer, such as DAP, TSP and ammonium sulfate, also has been floated based on the aggregated demand of the companies, and already 12 LMT DAP, 4 LMT TSP and 3 LMT ammonium sulfate has been floated last Friday. This will help to ensure adequate availability during the peak season. So at present, we don't foresee any major issues in the availability of inputs as well as for finished fertilizer. On the review front, 6 meetings of the empowered group of secretary, of which our department is leading the way, have already been held by Secretary Fertilizer to ensure adequate availability of fertilizer, as well as any issues which are to be addressed. Any challenges, they are immediately addressed. The Indian fertilizer security remains strong and stable.